What's going on YouTube? Welcome to another video. If your day's not going good, I hope tomorrow is better. If you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button and notification bell. If you're already subscribed, thank you for your loyalty. In this video, we got another banger, I'm hoping. Y'all liked the POV video last week, 2 weeks ago. Yeah, like the POV video then. That was a basketball POV video. So with this one, I'm gonna be stepping it up and we switching it up a little bit. So we're gonna be doing a football POV workout photography video. It's a mouthful. Also, at the end of this video, I'm going to be adding my editing process. So I've actually decided to go ahead and make the editing process its own separate video. So stay to the end of this video to find out when I'll be dropping that one. You know, some people may be interested in how I got to the final result. I'm still gonna show the final results as I'm shooting. So as I'm taking the photos, they're still gonna be on the screen with the final result. But then I'm also gonna walk you through the process of how I got the photo to look like that, you know, from a raw image. Let's go ahead and get right to it. See y'all there. All right, and there we go. That's the video, that's the video. Let me know how y'all feel about this one. I really feel like this one was a banger. I don't know, I really feel like this one was fire. Yo, I don't know. Football pitches are better than basketball, bro. I'm sorry. Football pitches are just way better than basketball pitches, bro. There's almost no contest, realistically. Let me know what your favorite photo was down in the comment section below, timestamp it. Now, like I said, I did decide to do the editing process in a separate video, so that video will be uploaded 2 days after this one. Whatever day this was uploaded, look out for that video 2 days after, or just check the link in the description. If it's already been 2 days and you're viewing this at a later time, check the link in the description and it will be linked right there, or it'll probably be on the screen. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all the support in those recent videos. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to stay creative. Before I end this off, I know y'all peep it. We got hats. Check the merch link out in the description down below. We got the company logo hats. We also have the mountain. I really feel like those are fire. I'm about to get me one. The mountain ones, man, them things is hard. So make sure y'all check out the merch link in the description down below. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel. See you next time.